Hi, in this video I want to show you how Nuly AI templates work. Nuly AI templates are essentially pre-built templates and copy frameworks and prompts that will enable you to create various types of content a lot faster than you would normally. So we have pre-built templates in many different categories such as ads, blog posts, contents, e-commerce, emails, frameworks like AIDA framework, which I will show you in a second, marketing, social media, video, websites, and so on. So you can see that we have over 60 templates pre-built and ready for you to use. Now in this video, I want to go through 3 examples of these templates. Now, the first example I want to go through is the email. Many people use AI for writing emails, and I want to show you a couple of easy ways to generate some of the email content. So what we will start is, for example, I will come to emails and I will select email subject line. Now, when you press on the email subject line, you will see that you can select language that you want to generate in. We have lots of different languages and dialects for you to choose from, so you can select any of these. For now, I'm going to leave it as English USA. It says describe your email, so obviously because this is a subject line, it needs to know what your email is about, so you need to describe it a little bit so that it can pick the best subject line for it, and it can optimize the length of the subject line as well, right? I'm gonna just paste the content that I already made. So next, creativity, by default it will be high. I'm gonna leave it as high. Tone of voice, I'm gonna leave it as professional. So we can try to test the professional format. Number of results, I'm gonna do it, let's say 5 results so that we can pick one. And then for maximum result length, I will put like 500. Okay, because these are subject lines, they are usually short. And I will click generate, and it will generate me 5 email subject lines. Now you can see that in my email I say why people should start implementing AI in their content creation. I go over the problems content creators face with traditional content creation, and then talk about the benefits of using AI and how AI can overcome all those problems. Now this is what the email is about, and these are the subject lines it generated. I like the most these 3 and 4, but if I want, I can generate 5 more. So if I press generate, it will generate another set of email subject lines. So you can see that it slightly changed the previous suggestions, and it generated new 5 email subject lines to choose from. And after you have generated this, you can copy text, or you can export it as a PDF or Word document, or just save it in the document. Now let's choose another template and see how that works. So for this example, for the second example, I want to show, so if I go to templates, I want to show you how frameworks work. So if I go to frameworks, I will see that at the moment we have 4 pre-built copy frameworks. Now all these are established copywriting frameworks, and you don't need to know how to use them in order to generate content using these frameworks. Now for this example, let's pick attention, interest, desire, action framework. Once you pick the framework, it will ask you to input your product name, product description. So let me put ready-made text for the product description. And the description is Nuly AI is the all-in-one software that helps you create high-quality copy, images, voiceovers, transcriptions, translations, and more. Product name, I will put Nuly AI. And we have description, creativity, high, tone of voice. Tone of voice for this example, I'm going to select funny. And I want 1 result. And 2000 is too long. I will change this to 500. And I will click generate. And within seconds, it will generate you the full copy using this framework. I'm not going to read all of it. One thing to note, like there will be some words that you don't want to use, right? You can always change them. When you export this and use it in your content, you can copy text and export it, or just download the Word document You can always change a couple of words because human input is also needed with AI. So it will do 90%, 95% of the work for you, but you can make it even better. For the third example, I want to pick, so let's see what we can pick. Let's pick something from social media. I'm gonna pick Instagram captions. Again, language, I will leave it the same as default. By the way, you can change these defaults from your profile and it will always show the default that you want. For templates, you can choose that. And so Instagram captions, so oftentimes you post a photo on the Instagram, but you spend like half an hour on coming up with a caption, with a good caption, right? This way you can create it in minutes. So just post what the photo is about or what your post is about. So in this case, I want to make a post about how I traveled to Thailand and 3 tips for people who want to visit Thailand. For creativity, I will put hi, maximum result length. Again, I'm gonna do 500. Tone of voice, I will pick excited for this one because it's a travel. Let's see what it can generate. So I just want to show you different, tone of voices. Depending on your brand, you will have different tones for your brand. And click generate. And it generated full Instagram captions with all the details, with emojis, with hashtags, everything that you need. You just need to copy this and post it on your Instagram. That's it. You can see that how it used like emojis, relevant emojis within the post as well. And that will depend on the tone of voice. For example, if you select professional, it will not do that. Because you have chosen excited, it used emojis to show that excitement. I'm not going to read all of it, but you can see that it generated short, sweet Instagram captions.